Oh, what is it?
I can feel the heat coming up.
I have never seen one so close. Listen to that sound! Come on, Bob, get in the boat. It is so warm and so beautiful. Let's learn English together every day! Let's go! We are going on a trip! Pack your bags, we are going to Yellowstone.
First, we need to make a list.
Good idea, Mom. What do we need?
We need a water bottle, good shoes, and a warm jacket.
Got it. I will put everything in the bag.
Betty, I can only find one sock. What do I do?
Bob, put your clothes in the bag. We leave in 1 hour.
Mom, I think we have enough snacks for the whole trip.
We always need more fruit, Olivia. Fruit gives us energy.
And chips give us happiness.
The door is closed. Let's go on our adventure.
Goodbye, house. We will be back soon.
The car is ready.
I put all the bags inside.
Perfect. Now we are ready to go. Look at that. The road is so long and beautiful.
We are on our way, Betty. Yellowstone is waiting for us.
Olivia, let's play a game. Name something you see outside.
I see a big blue sky and green mountains.
Betty, how do I start the pump? There are so many buttons.
Press this button first, Bob. It says, pay here.
I want chips, cookies, and chocolate. This is the best stop.
Great. And I have my water and trail mix. We need healthy snacks, too.
Mom, look! I can see the Yellowstone sign. We are here!
Look at this place.
This is our home for the next few days. Mom, it is so beautiful. I love it already.
We have a reservation. My name is Betty, and this is my family.
Welcome. Let me find your booking. Please give me one moment.
Oh.
We have our room key. Let's go see our room.
It is a big key. I like it.
Oh my goodness, this room is so beautiful and cozy. Look at that view. I can see the trees and the sky.
Come on! The geyser is going to erupt. Let's go right now.
I am ready. Let's go, Bob. Hurry up.
Look at all this steam. The ground is very hot here.
It is amazing. I can feel the warm air all around us. Betty, I can see it. That is the geyser right there.
Yes, we wait here. It will erupt very soon. Do you feel that? The ground is rumbling. It is starting.
I can feel it under my feet. Something big is coming.
There it is! Look at that water and steam shooting up so high.
Wow! It is so powerful. This is the best thing I have ever seen.
That was incredible. It was the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
I agree, Betty. I will never forget this moment.
Look at those colors, blue, green, orange. I cannot believe this is real.
I need a photo. This is amazing.
I can see blue, green, orange, and red. Nature has so many beautiful colors.
Every color is so bright and clear. It looks like a painting. Walk slowly, everyone. The water down there is very, very hot.
I can feel the heat coming up. It is very warm on my face.
Do not move. Look at that beautiful bird right there.
It is so close. I can see every feather. It is gorgeous.
This place is so special.
I will remember these colors forever. Me too. This was the most beautiful walk of my life.
Look at that huge animal in the meadow. What is it?
That is a bison, Betty. And it is very, very big.
It is walking toward us. Stay still and stay close to the car.
Betty, get in the car. It is coming this way right now. It is right next to us. I can see its fur. It is so big and so close. Do not move, anyone. Just wait for it to walk past us.
are safe. Oh my goodness, that was so exciting.
My hands are still shaking.
Stop! There is a deer right there at the trees. Look how beautiful.
It is so gentle and graceful. I have never seen one so close. Look up! There is a big eagle. It is flying so high and so free. It is so powerful and beautiful. I want to fly like that.
Oh my, this canyon is so deep and so wide. It is incredible.
Look at the river down there. It looks so small from up here.
This trail is so beautiful. I can see the canyon through the trees.
It is very beautiful, Betty. I just feel safer looking at the path.
That waterfall is so powerful. Listen to that sound. It is amazing.
I can feel the water on my face. It is so cool and so fresh.
Look at this view. The canyon, the river, the sky, everything.
Is so perfect. This is the most beautiful place.
Goodbye, beautiful canyon. I will carry this view in my heart forever.
We can come back one day. This place will always be here for us.
This is the perfect spot. Let's sit down and eat our lunch.
Everything is ready, Betty. Come and sit down. The food looks so good.
Oh, this is so good. Fresh food always tastes better outside.
I agree, Betty. This is the best lunch I have ever had.
Pass me the big logs, Bob. I am almost ready to light the fire.
You did a great job, Betty. This fire is going to be very warm tonight.
Love a campfire. It is so warm and so beautiful at night.
My marshmallow is getting golden. I think it's almost ready to eat.
Look at all those stars. I have never seen so many in my life.
Out here, the sky is so clear. Every star is so bright and so close.
This lake is so big and beautiful.
The water is so clear and blue and so clean. I can see all the way to the bottom.
Step in carefully, everyone. Hold the sides and move slowly.
Come on, Bob, get in the boat. It is going to be so much fun.
Bob, you are doing so well. Keep going. This is wonderful.
I am trying my best, Betty. This water is very calm and very beautiful.
Look at the baby ducks. They are swimming right next to us. They are so tiny and so cute. I love them so much.
Thank you for this perfect day on the water.
Some views are too beautiful for a photo. I just want to remember this.
What are these white steps? They are so big.
They look like a waterfall made of white stone.
Look at the steam coming up, and the water is such a beautiful pale blue color.
Every step is different. This place looks like another world.
We made it to the top! Look at this view! It is incredible!
I can see everything from up here. The meadows, the mountains, everything.
Look at that sky, so perfect.
Let's just sit here and watch. This moment is very special, Betty.
Tell me, what was your favorite moment of our whole trip today?
For me, it was the geyser. I will never forget that sound and that water going so high.
Good morning! It is time to pack up. We are going home today.
Already? I want to stay here one more day, Betty. Just one more.
Thank you for a wonderful stay. This place was so warm and so comfortable.
I will never forget this lodge. It felt like a real home away from home.
Look at this park one more time. Every part of it is so wild and so beautiful.
I am driving slowly, Betty. I am not ready to say goodbye to this place.
Goodbye, park. Thank you for everything. We will never forget you.
I can still see the gate. I do not want to lose it.
We saw the geyser, the rainbow spring, the canyon, the lake, and the white terraces.
I drew every place we visited. Look, Betty, I have all our memories right here.
We are home, and I have one thing to say. Every adventure teaches you something new.
Thank you, Betty. This was the best trip of my life. I will never forget it.